Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the London Underground in London obviously, and how you navigate around the Underground, and then changing trains and how to pay as well. So what I do, I have an Oyster Card. These can be purchased from stations at the machines, or you can get them in corner shops as well. Literally every corner shop in London does sell them. Let me just try and open mine. I've got it in a case here. But yeah, that's the Oyster Card. What you can get. They are £7, I think. But they're worth it because you can have a rail card and stuff like that onto it. If you do add a rail card, I have a 16 to 25 rail card, if you do add that, it knocks discount off, but it doesn't apply in peak hours, so Monday to Friday in the morning, but I think in the evening it does work as well. But yeah, that's literally a really good thing if you do have rail cards, because you can save so much money. And then with Oyster Card or contactless payment method, there is a daily cap as well. For example, if you're going from zone 1 to 3 and you're staying within the zones 1 to 3, your daily cap's £10. If you're staying zone 1 or whatever, I think it's £8, 10p. You can check it on the TfL website, so it's not so it's up to date, because they might not be up to date from what I'm saying, but 1 to 3, zones 1 to 3 are definitely £10, because I'm within zone 3, and when I get to the cap it's always £10. I have literally forgot to bring my mic today, so I'm using the AirPods instead to record, but I'm currently at White City. You might be able to tell if you've ever walked down here before with this background, but yeah, we'll head to the station and then get on the train, and we'll tell you a bit a few rules of what to do when you are travelling on the TfL network, because other Londoners will get very upset if you're not standing on the right side of the escalator and you're standing on the left, for example. That is the most important one. But yeah, we'll head to the station now and we'll get on the tube and we'll go to Leicester Square, and then we can change lines as well. If you use City Mapper, that is probably the best thing to use within London to navigate around, because it tells you the prices, where to stand in the train, what carriage, so when you get off you're at the nearest exit, and the quietest carriage as well. So it's really good, useful tool to use, that City Mapper. So if you are travelling in London, you're not familiar with London itself, City Mapper is the one to use. If you do have any comments or questions or anything about other videos that you want to see on this channel, feel free to leave it in a comment and I'll try and get back to you, and hopefully we can do a video on whatever topic you'd like to see on the Underground, or any TfL network, to be fair, buses. I've not done any bus ones, or might be one coming up soon, to be fair. I've got an idea of one where you can get on the bus route, what them tourist bus what go around, what charge you very expensive for. You can literally get on as a bus route in London what literally can do the exact same thing for £1.75 instead of 15-20 quid or whatever you're going to be paying. And on the buses as well, it's £1.75 for 2 hours as well. So if you get off, change a bus, you're not paying £1.75 again, it's £1.75 for 2 hours. Once that 2 hours is up, then obviously you have to pay. Anyway, let's get to the station. So if you're using the machines, you can top up easily by selecting how much you want with an Oyster Card, or if you're not using Oyster Card contactless payment methods, it is much cheaper using contactless payment methods or Oyster Card, because it is so much cheaper than buying a ticket from the machine. So definitely do that when you are travelling in London. So to get to Leicester Square, you need to get the Central line to Tottenham Court Road, and then you can change one stop on the Northern line. If you are trying to figure out how to navigate around London, you can get the TfL Go app as well, that can literally tell you where you need to go. Well, it's just a map. Instead of walking around with a paper map, what no one does these days, you can just look on your phone instead. And it also has live service updates, so if there's minor delays, severe delays, cancellations or suspended parts of the lines, you can also check that out on there as well. That's quite useful and good. But anyway, we're nearly there now. You can always find literally an underground station by the sign. They're literally everywhere outside an underground station, so they're easy enough to find. It's not as if you'll ever not find one. Remember, if you are on the escalator, stand to the right, and if you're walking, go to the left side. Because if you're not doing that, Londoners will not be happy. So we're in the station. With all the stations listed, and if you can't find the station, you can put them on the side. And then there you go, you can see the other board there, the other listed stations. And then it goes to underground stations and all the tube map, what's located there. And then a board where they're telling you the time of the next train from places. As you can see, we're at Shepherd's Bush, and then we're just waiting for the train to Etiquette, what's in 2 minutes, and we'll get off at top.
This is Marble Arch.
So now we're at Tottenham Court Road, following the northern line signs, and we're through to the train at the railway station, so we'll just follow them signs, and there's also the as well. Once you have got to the platform, you will be able to find your next train to wherever you are going. Also, that's the swear when you are at your final destination to tap out, otherwise you'll be charged a maximum for something. So just remember to tap in on that, otherwise if you miss one of them, you will get charged more. Thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.